Hello and welcome to our channel. Chop. Today, we're diving deep into one of psychology's most interesting questions. What is personality? We all have different ways of thinking, feeling, and behaving, but what actually makes us who we are? Let's find out. Meaning of personality. In psychology, personality refers to the unique patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make each person different from others. It's what defines you, your consistent way of responding to people, situations, and experiences. In short, personality is the psychological fingerprint of your mind and behavior. How personality develops. Your personality doesn't just appear overnight, it develops over time. It's shaped by three main factors: genetics, which are traits inherited from your parents; environment, like your culture, family, and life experiences; and situations, meaning how you react to challenges, successes, and stress. Personality is a blend of nature and nurture, meaning both your genes and environment shape who you become. So, psychologists have, tried to explain personality through several well-known theories. First up, there's trait theory, which suggests that people have stable characteristics, or traits, that describe their behavior, like honesty, kindness, or confidence. Then there's type theory, which divides people into categories like type A, who are ambitious and competitive, and type B, who are more relaxed and easygoing. Psychodynamic theory, developed by Sigmund Freud, focuses on the influence of the unconscious mind and early childhood experiences on personality. Humanistic theory, from Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, believes personality is shaped by the drive for self-growth, self-esteem, and reaching one's full potential. And finally, social cognitive theory, by Albert Bandura, emphasizes learning from others and the role of thinking and environment in shaping behavior. One of the most accepted models in modern psychology is the Big Five model, often remembered by the acronym OCEAN. So, O stands for openness to experience. That's all about curiosity, creativity, and, imagination. C is conscientiousness, which covers discipline, organization, and responsibility. E is extroversion, meaning someone's outgoing, energetic, and has a social nature. A is agreeableness. That's kindness, empathy, and cooperativeness. And finally, N stands for neuroticism, which is emotional instability, anxiety, and mood swings. Each person has all 5 traits in different levels, and honestly, that's what makes every personality unique. Your personality affects every part of your life: how you think, make decisions, form relationships, and even how successful or happy you feel. It can influence your mental health, your job satisfaction, and your ability to adapt to challenges. For example, highly conscientious people tend to live longer, achieve more, and maintain better health habits. Yes? But slowly. Personality is relatively stable, yet it can change over time with new experiences, responsibilities, or conscious self-improvement. Personal growth, therapy, or even major life events can help you evolve into a better version of yourself. Remember, personality isn't fixed. It's flexible enough to grow when you do. So now you know what personality in psychology really means: a combination of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that make you uniquely you. If you enjoyed learning today, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more simple psychology lessons every week. And comment below, what's one word that best describes your personality? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.